print arrived yesterday. I wasn't actually expecting it until Monday, so yay. Before we get into it, I wanted to show you some close-up videos of the 3D print itself. It's a really good print. I'm very happy with it. The material is quite funky actually. It's a bit psychedelic in person. So you won't be able to appreciate the forms and the shapes and really until it's in clay. But yeah, it's a really good print. Right. Let's super glue it together. Where to start? Yeah. Yeah, where to start? That bit, because you can put that bit flat. Dare I say it, these should go together really easily. There's a lot of waiting about when you're holding two bits of print gluing together. It's thrilling this, isn't it? Car. How many cars can I count whilst I'm gluing this together? It will stick. It will. So because this was modelled in ZBrush and I just kind of hid the badly modelled shoulders just to get the bust printed, it comes with the jaggedy polygonal decimated edge on the print, which I think is great. I love those details. Not bad at all. Now all I want to do is go get my fedora and put it on this, but I'm going to wait until it's clay. I'm going to resist. I'm not even going to do it off camera, I'm going to wait. You know what I'll do? I'll shove some Yoo-hoo in the gaps and let it dry, cure, dry, set, whatever glue does, over a few hours. But until then, print, ready to be moulded. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.